these boys say they're getting it tight and they want a wee break a minute. So we're very privileged tonight. Everybody says the world famous Grousebeaters, but there is a guy here that is world famous, and he's a good old friend of the Grousebeaters, and this buddy has travelled the world. Please welcome Mr. Billy Tier from Ballycarry.
I'm not taking this double coat off because I'm founder. And since you're all by the way, hands up if you've seen me before. Hands up if you haven't seen me before. Hands up if you couldn't care less one way or the other. Hands up if you didn't put your hands up. Right, because it's so cold in here, I'm going to give you a wee warm up. So whatever, and then I'm going to do something absolutely amazing, but that'll take place in a moment or two. I'm going to do something with you that's absolutely amazing. Well, right. Now, this is to warm you all up, so whatever I say or do for the next couple of minutes, everybody do the same. When my aunt came back. Well, there's you singing and a few others, the rest of you are only miming down there, right? Try it again. When my aunt came back. From Ballymena. She brought me back. A window cleaner. If I see someone not cleaning windows down there, I'll come down there and comb your hair the wrong way. Well, my aunt came back. From old Portrush, she brought me back. I love it rebrush. Well, my aunt came back from the town of Ennis. She brought me back a game of tennis. Well, my aunt came back from Ballyclare. She brought me back a rocking chair. Well, my aunt came back from Timbuktu. She brought me back some fools like you. I'll do this. So why since I did this? No, I'll do another warm-up. I sometimes suffer from amnesia and deja vu all at the same time. I say, I remember forgetting that before. Right, this is another warm-up. At the end, this is a one-verse song, and at the end, somebody shout out when I ask you what the first word of it was. How I need you, baby, how I need you, dear. Hearts fly, but God knows how I need you, dear. What was the first word? Right. Who's supposed to greet you by saying how? Right, so here's what you do to make it a bit more interesting.
Very important.
Pardon?
Very important.
She's from again.
Carry port, right. Oh, you cut me off now. Right. Right, I'll show you how to make it more interesting. How I need you, baby. How I need you, dear. Hearts fly, but God knows how I need you, dear. Right, everybody after three. 1, 2, 3. How I need you, baby. How I need you, dear. Hearts fly, but God knows how I need you, dear.